Accounting tools every small business needs. Unless you're a mathlete, accounting can be the most difficult part of running your own small business. In fact, around half of small business owners report that accounting is their least favorite task. Assuming you're not an accountant yourself, you probably understand why. And if you mess up your records or bookkeeping, you could easily be looking at lost money, missed opportunities, or even a knock on your door from the IRS. Let's take a look at the 5 biggest players in the all-in-one accounting tools industry. Sage Accounting. If you own a one-person business, then Sage Accounting Start should definitely be at the top of your accounting tools list. For starters, you can record income and expenses and perform bank reconciliation for only $10 a month. Sage Accounting is especially helpful if you're working with freelancers or contractors for your small business, since their project management capabilities are an added bonus. Freshbooks is one of the big names around town when it comes to accounting tools for small business owners. Freshbooks can integrate with your bank accounts, generate financial reports, process your payroll, and keep business payments and track of timesheets. If you're talking about the world's best accounting tools, it's simply impossible not to mention the one and only Quickbooks Online. Quickbooks Online offers the classic suite of accounting tools for anyone and everyone. It includes dashboards for your business, financial data and records, financial reports that you can customize, online payment receipts, payroll processing, and the ability to turn pictures of receipts into catalog business expenses. Xero. If you're interested in QuickBooks Online and FreshBooks as potential accounting tools for your small business, then don't miss out on considering Xero as well. If you own a small business with 1 or 2 employees, this perk might not seem too useful, but if your company is on the bigger side of a small business, then this can definitely seem like a major advantage. As a small business owner, every day is a precious opportunity for you to develop and grow your business. Use these tools wisely to take advantage of your time. For more information, visit us at lifeofautomation.com or subscribe below.